Almost all communication service providers are burdened with extensive legacy technology estates. The urgency to modernize these outdated systems cannot be overstated. Transforming thousands of legacy applications into a streamlined, efficient digital ecosystem is not just a goal, it's a necessity. This critical journey involves refactoring the monolithic applications across diverse business lines, each with its own unique complexities, technologies, and documentation challenges. To address this challenge, we are transforming the legacy systems into microservice-based applications compliant with the ODA framework where applicable. By integrating Gen AI throughout the modernization process, we want to implement ODA Factory Model, which will intelligently automate the modernization lifecycle process of existing code analysis, business logic extraction, architecting and designing appropriate microservices with bounded context, coding, testing, and deploying the solution in an appropriate cloud environment. Agentic AI is orchestrating the process within the modernization lifecycle. We are leveraging TM Forum ODA and OpenAPI to standardize the target architecture, checking the compliance with help of CTK, and using ODA Canvas for target application deployment. The use cases being explored are modernization of legacy monolithic applications to cloud-native ODA components, and modernization of legacy interfaces to open APIs.